Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you're all fine. As you know, we are meeting after a long gap. As you have qualified your previous grade examination of 5th standard, and now you are in the you are in the 6th standard. I congratulate all of you in this very new standard of 6th. Today, in this lecture, I'm going to give you a brief introduction about the contents of biology, which we're going to discuss in this very session. As you can see, there are 7 chapters. That's plant life, cell, the basic unit of life, human digestive system, human respiratory system, human circulatory system, health and hygiene, adaptations and living organisms. Okay, as for the first chapter is concerned, that's plant life. Here we have to discuss structure of plants in details, types of leaves, venation, etc. And we have to discuss the life cycle of plants. I mean, how a plant starts its life cycle from a seed, then the different phases like, you know, formation of flowers, then fruits, etc. Okay, so we will be dealing with different concepts of plant life in this very chapter. The next chapter, that's the cell, basic unit of life. As you know that each and every living organism starts its life from a cell, and in case of multicellular organisms, this very cell continuously divides, forming different types of cells. While in case of a cellular or unicellular organism, there is just a single cell which performs all the functions. In this very chapter, we will be dealing with the structure of cell in detail, the organelles and their role. Now, the third chapter, that's human digestive system. As you know, it's one of the important organ systems of human beings. Here we have to focus on digestion as a physiological process and the parts or organs of digestive system which help in performing the process of digestion. We have to focus on the digestive system of humans here. Likewise, the fourth chapter, that's respiratory system of human beings. Here we have to discuss respiration as a physiological process in human beings, types of respiration, that's aerobic, anaerobic, then internal, external respiration, exhalation, inhalation, and the different problems related with respiratory system, inshallah, in our future lectures. Next, that's human circulatory system. Here we have to focus on circulatory system of human beings. This very system which transports materials from one place to another place in human beings. The 3 important parts, that's heart, blood vessels and the blood, which together constitute the circulatory system. So these are the 3 physiological systems or organ systems which we'll be dealing with in this very standard of 6th, that's digestive system, respiratory system and circulatory system. Next chapter, that's health and hygiene. In this very chapter, we will study the different types of diseases, communicable diseases, non-communicable diseases, concept of health and hygiene, personal hygiene, community hygiene, etc. Finally, and the last chapter, that's adaptations and living organisms. You know that living organisms are present in each and every part of earth. Some are capable of surviving in hot conditions, xeric conditions, dry conditions, while some are capable of surviving in aquatic conditions, some survive in moderate conditions. So in this very chapter, we will be dealing with adaptations of living organisms in different types of habitats like deserts, aquatic habitats, etc. So we will take up each and every chapter and the topics in details in the future lectures, inshallah. Thank you.